Good morning everyone. This is a new topic for 7th standard. Student, this is the exercise chapter number 5, exercise 5.2 and question number 7 to 10. Because question number 1 to 6 we already done in a previous video. Okay. In this video there are question number 7 to 10. Okay. First question number 7. Classify each of the following set as empty or singleton. Okay. In this collection, what is this? These are singleton or empty set. Okay. So try to find first the set of even prime number divisible by 3. This is the set of even prime number divisible by 3. Students, we know that there is only one even prime, and that even prime is 2. 2 is only even prime, but 2 is not divisible by 3. So in this set there is no any element. So this set is empty because there is no any element. Okay, this is an empty set. Okay, first is empty. Next, part number 3. The set of all natural number less than 1. All natural number less than 1, but we know that all natural numbers starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are natural number, and there is no any natural number less than 1. So this set is also empty set. Okay, because there is no any element in this set, because there is no any natural number less than 1. The next is part number 5th. The set of odd natural number divisible by 3. Set of odd natural number. Odd natural number means odd means like 1, 3, 5, 7. These are odd natural number and divisible by 3. Divisible by 2. Student, which natural number divisible by 2 and that is odd? No, there is no any odd natural number divisible by 2, because any number divisible by 2, that is an even number. Okay, so in this set there is no element, so this set is also empty set. Okay, empty set. Next is part number 7. Set C equal to, this is the notation of empty set. Okay, there is no element in this set, so this is also empty. All are empty. Next is part number 8. D set D equal to x such that x belong to real number and x square equal to -1. Student, if we take any real number and square of any real number is every time positive. Square of any real number always positive, but there is square of any number equal to -1. No any real number whose square is negative. So in this set there is no any element of this type belong to R, satisfy this condition. So this is also empty. Okay, this is also empty set. Next is set P equal to x. X is prime number and lie between 54 to 60. Prime number between 54 to 60. 55. Prime number is divisible by only 1 and itself. So we find prime number after 54. 55 not prime. Next is 56. 56 is not prime. Next is 57. 57 is also not prime. Next is 58. Not prime. Next is 59. Student, 59 is a prime number. Okay, and lie between 54 and 60. So in this set P there is one element to be 9, because 59 is a prime number. So in this set only one element, and any set only one element, that is a singleton set. Okay, so this is part number 10. This is a singleton set. Okay, next is question number 8. Are the following pair of set equal? Okay, there is a 2 2 set, and we find these are equal or not. first part, set A. In set A there is only one element 2, and set B x such that x belong to n and x is an even prime number. So set A already in roster form. So first we find element of set B. X belong to natural number and x is an even prime. What is even prime? There is only one number which is an even prime, and that is a 2. Okay. In set A there is one element. In set B there is also one element. Okay. Number of elements same, means cardinal number same, and same element. There is also 2. There is also 2. So set A equal to set B. Set A and set B both are equal. Next part number third, set X. This first we find set X in roster form. X belong to whole number less than 5. Whole number less than 5, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And there is set Y. Y equal to X. X belong to natural number less than and equal to 5. Natural number starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, and we take also 5 because equal sign also. Okay. Are these two set are equal or not? Student, there are 5 elements. There are also 5 elements. Number of elements same, cardinal number same, but elements are not same. There is 0 but there is not a 0. There is 5 but there is not a 5. So if cardinal number same, then these set are only equivalent set, not equal set. So X set not equal to Y set. Okay. Next is part number 5th. Set D equal to X. X is a multiple of 30. X in this set, all multiple of 30. All multiple of 30 means 30, 60, next 90, and so many. These are the multiple of 30. And in this set, E set, X is a factor of 10. Factor of 10, whole factor of 10, 1, 2, 5, and next is 10. These are the factor of 10. Students, these two sets are equal or not? Not equal, because elements are not okay. So this set D not equal to set. Okay, if all elements are same, then both the set are equal. Next moves to next question. This is question number 9. Which of the following are equivalent set? In this, which of the following are equivalent set? Equivalent set means if number of elements are same, then set are equivalent. Okay, cardinal number same, then these are equivalent. In first part, set A 1, 2, 3, then we write cardinal number of A 3 and cardinal number of B. In set B there is 2 elements, cardinal number not same, so these are not equivalent same. Okay, these are A and B are not equivalent set because cardinal number of A and B are not equal. Okay, next is in part number 3rd, X is a prime number less than 10. In first we take X in roster form. X is prime number less than 10. Less than 10 prime number. 2 is smallest prime. Next is prime third. Next is 5. Next is 7. Next 8, 9 not prime. 10 also not prime. These are prime number. In set Y there are total cardinal number of X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 equal to 4. And in set Y, X belong to n and X less than equal to 4. N means natural number less than 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and cardinal number of Y equal to 4. So X and Y both set are equivalent set. These are equivalent but not equal. In equal set, cardinal number equal and element are also same, but in equivalent set only cardinal number and same. Okay, next is part number 4. Set R X equal to 2n plus 3, n less than 4 and belong to natural number. We take n from natural number and less than 4. First, if we take first natural number 1 is less than 4, then what in set R, x equal to 2 into 1 plus 3. In place of n we put a 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus 3, there is a 5. Next, if we take 2, 2 to 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Next, natural number less than 4, 3. If we take 3, 3 to 6, 6, 3, 9. Okay. And only this 1, 2, 3 natural number less than 4, and we put value in place of n 1, 2, 3, and this equal to x, and in this set only x, and x equal to this l. Okay. And then cardinal number of r equal to 3. But in in this set x equal to x such that n divided by n plus 1 and n belong to r and n less than equal to 4. Students, r means the real number, and there are so many real number less than and equal to 4. Infinite real number less than and equal to 4. If we take n 1, 2, 3 and point also, reciprocal also, negative number also, and put there, then there are so many values. Okay, so in this set we don't find all complete elements. So this is infinite set. If infinite set, then we don't say cardinal number of this set. So as a cardinal number not same, only this set, only 3 element. But in S set there is a infinitive element. Okay, so cardinal number not same, so these are not an equivalent set. 6th part A, letter of mathematics, and in set B, x is a natural number less than 9. In set A, letter of mathematics, first M, next we take A, P, H, E, again M we already take, next A already, T also, I, there is I, next is C, and next is S. Okay, and in set B, cardinal number of A, total element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. Next, set B, x is a, in set B, x is a natural number less than 9. Natural number less than 9, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not 9 because less than 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cardinal number of B, 8. And the cardinal number of A, 8. Cardinal number of B, 8 equal. Then A and B both are equivalent and set. Okay. Next is question number 10. P and Q. There are two set P and Q. These are overlapping or disjoint. These are overlapping or disjoint set. Student, what is the overlapping set? If there is at least one element common in this set, then these are overlapping. If there are no any element common, then these are disjoint. Okay, for overlapping at least one element common, and for disjoint no any element common. Okay, in P and Q, any element common? There is no any element common, so we write P and Q both are disjoint set, and you write because there are no any element common in P and Q. Okay, next P 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, Q 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. Any element match? No, there is no any element match, no any element common, so we write P and Q are, sorry, in this set both element 8 is common, both the set. So we write the intersection common means we write this P intersection Q. Okay, if we take only common element, then denoted by this notation P intersection Q. And the P intersection Q, there is only one element match, 8. Okay, and if at least one element common, then these are overlapping. So P and Q are overlapping. Okay, there is one element common, so these are overlapping. Next, third part, SUN. In P set, there is SUN. These are element. Q, STAR. Student, S is common. Okay, if S is common, at least one element common, एक एलिमेंट कॉमन जरूरी, उससे ज्यादा हो तो भी ओवरलैपिंग, then there is one element common, so these are overlapping. Okay, P and Q are overlapping because there is one element common. In part number 4, set P, X is a letter in the flower and Q, X is a letter in a flower. Okay, in P set there is F, L, O, W, E, R, and in set Q, F, L, O, R. Okay, student, there is match. F common, L common, O common, and R common. So many element common. If there is at least one element common, then overlapping. So many element common, then these are also overlapping. So P and Q are overlapping. Okay, this is exercise 5.2. Next exercise will be next video.